My name's Tim Nolan. I'm the COO here at CopperState Farms. At CopperState, we do everything from extraction to propagation. So we kind of own the process from start to finish through all steps in between.
What we've got here is a fairly major greenhouse operation. We have 44 acres of glass. We have the place divided into 2.5 acre compartments for growing flower. So on average, we're harvesting 3,000 plants a day, every day of the year.
We acquired this Venlo style greenhouse that we're in right now and converted it all from what was used for tomatoes and cucumbers to cannabis. So we have figured out how to scale up, and now a greenhouse room has anywhere between 30 and 33,000 plants.
We package finished goods products for not only our 9 retail soulflower locations in Arizona, but also multiple other dispensaries within the state. So my role is running all machines, all production, all planning, inventories, and also workforce management.
With a lot of our more kind of approachable kind of entry-level brands, the demand is just so high. So it's not really, it's not realistic to think of hand packing that many. And timing, so speed to market, harvest date is something that consumers as well as professional buyers are really fixated on.
We were hand packing in pop-top packaging. You were only getting possibly 2,000 units a day out of a group of 5 to 6 people.
So when we first came into this facility, it was not set up for cannabis, and so we had to break up the facility. So all of that pack house room was all converted for post-harvest production.
That's where our collaboration with LeafyPack comes in, because we're always looking at like, well, we know we grow beautiful plants, but we need to get it into the jar and pass that quality through all the way down the line. But the impact on quality is what we're really focused on. We didn't feel we were really trading off quality, we were really just gaining efficiency.
The 4 stores, we started seeing the need for automation. Through automation now, we are getting 5,000 to 6,000 units a day. LeafyPack really, I believe it was chosen for the reviews and the people we've spoken with in the past that have had experience. For the initial machine, we've bought now 2 additional machines from LeafyPack. We have very minimal downtime. We're seeing a consistent product throughout the entire process.
The number of genetics available at our own retail on any given day has increased exponentially. We're packaging in excess of our sales, and we're able to get ahead of our numbers and hit our forecast targets.
Pre-automation, there'd be no way we could be able to make these 9 stores have enough product. We would actually have to have probably 3 times the facility size.
We've made great strides. We feel like we're some of the first operators to scale high quality cannabis. And one thing we like about working with LeafyPack is their automation is geared specifically towards cannabis. You see a lot of people repurposing existing machines and putting it in there, and it's like it can be quite crude and it can be hard on the product. And again, like the consumers really they know what they're looking for, and they're very particular, and so meeting that is one of our goals.
Now we're looking at further automation with our labeling and whip processes.
Now that we've learned how to grow at scale, we're totally refining everything we do every day just to make sure that our quality is unmatched.